I'm back to tell you about what we are going to be doing every day, so as we can start living a healthy life. Now remember, I promised in my previous video that I was coming back, and then we can have at least a schedule of how we can do things. And then what I'm going to say is, after this video I'm going to make another one which is going to be explaining about food and the benefits of the food and why you need to do it, and also with the recipes. So I'm going to try to be quick because I do not want to be keeping you for long. I do not want you to be watching me for too long, because I want you to be just motivated, encouraged, and to, you know, just watch it when you don't have time really. So now I'm back again. Now, number one, remember what I said. We are going to be starting by reading from the book of Proverbs, which is in the Bible. For those who are religious, please, you're welcome. Listen to what the words are telling us. For those who are not, it's only wisdom we are trying to share with you. So this is not preaching. It's a health channel, but I think it's good to include God because it is important. He has blessed us. Now, I'm going to begin by reading Genesis 1:29. Genesis 1:29. Then God said, "Look, I have given you every seed-bearing plant throughout the earth, and all the fruits and trees for your food." You see what God has said about the food? So for him to have said that, he wanted us to have all the benefits of the food. And that is why I want you to read this, to understand this. So go ahead and get your Bible and read maybe before that or after that, so as you can understand more. Now, the second one I'm going to be reading is from the book of Proverbs. And please excuse me, because I have to do it this way. I have to write it down. Proverbs 12, number 1. Proverbs 12:1. To learn, you must love discipline. It is stupid to hate correction. So why am I using these words of wisdom? Because I want you to understand, when I'm sharing this information, where I'm coming from. So remember, the Bible has just said to us that if you don't want to be corrected, because we know, I'm not really blaming or judging anybody, but we know the kind of lives we are living in this world. We are so busy, too busy to even sit back and think about our health. And if you're going to hate to listen or to watch to these programs, then really can I say you're stupid? Sorry, I didn't say it. The Bible said it. I'm not really calling you stupid, but please take the advice. Now, the second one, sorry, I have too many scriptures today, but bear with me. This is the last one. Proverbs 13:13. It says, "People who despise advice are asking for trouble. Those who respect a command will succeed." So all it's trying to tell us is, if you listen to advice, you are going to be blessed and you are going to succeed. But if you despise it, definitely you're going to have trouble in your life. And so, please, when I'm sharing this information, do not ignore it. Do not look at it and say, "Oh my gosh, what is this all about? How is it going to help me?" This is going to be very helpful to you. And what I want to do in future, let me try and explain a little bit of what I'm going to be doing in future. I want us to engage in a way that you can sit and watch and have some fun. So I'm going to be introducing more things as well in future. Not right now. Right now, let's concentrate about our health and let's concentrate about living a healthy lifestyle, because to me, I want to raise awareness of how people should live a healthy life. And because this is my concern, and I know I haven't explained, and I'll be explaining slowly by slowly, one by one, because I can't stay here for a very long time explaining the whole thing. So step by step, please walk with me this journey. Please bear with me this journey. Please support me. Please keep watching us. Please keep commenting and sharing any ideas if you have. And please remember, we are all doing this together. I do not want to do it by myself, but for everybody who's going to find this interesting and helpful. So let me give you a quick rundown of my schedule. But what I'm going to tell you is just to give you an idea of how we are going to do things, but do it your way. Please do by how it suits you. So alternate everything. If it's not suitable for you, the times and everything else, please do it. But make sure the information that I'm sharing, that is going to be helpful, and please follow it. So number 1, 6 o'clock. I will get up. That is me. Like I said, I'm going to give you a rundown of myself, and then you can alternate according to how you live your life. For me, 6 o'clock I'll get up, I'll meditate. Why am I encouraging to meditate? So as we can prepare ourselves from up here, we have to prepare. Because if you don't prepare your mind, then definitely with me, that's how I find, I find that if I don't prepare myself, by meditating, fasting in the morning, I just lose myself as I go along the day. Now, 6 o'clock I'll get up, I'll meditate, and then I'll remember to have 2 cups of water. Hot water with lemon in it and ginger. Remember, we explained in the previous video, and I said I was coming back to explain about the food, so I'll just give you another rundown in my next video about the benefits of what you're going to be having. So 2 cups of hot water, but you can choose if you want cold water or hot water. Really, it's up to you. There's no right way or wrong way as long as you have water. The next we're going to do is go out for a run, or those who prefer to say jogging. My dear sisters and brothers, I want us to keep healthy. And by doing that, we are only going to run for 15 minutes. 15 minutes only. Why? Because we do not want to overwhelm ourselves. Because some of you, if they're starters like me, we need to start from somewhere. We need not to pressurize ourselves. And for those who are going to the gym, please continue. You're doing an amazing and fantastic, and continue to keep fit. I have had people telling me about their friends who have really changed their lives, and they're looking so nice and funky and cute, and that is what we want. And remember, this health channel is about inside and outside as well. So let's go out, run for 15 minutes only. Not more than that, but if you can push yourself to run to 20, please go ahead and feel free and do that, but do not pressurize yourself. After that, let's come back and have breakfast. I'm going to be having oats for myself because oats is very healthy and that's what I prefer. And then after that, we can continue to drink water and our green smoothie, which my next video is going to be explaining of how you can be able to make your own recipe of your green smoothie. So alternate from water to green smoothie. Then 10 o'clock, have a snack, and please make sure that you have a healthy snack. For me, I usually have cucumber or carrots. So it's up to you really to choose what you want, and make sure as long as it's a healthy snack, it is up to you and it is your choice. 12 o'clock, let us have lunch. 12 lunch, you can have anything that you wish as well. Myself, I love salad. I remember a friend of mine came to visit me many years ago. That time I was not cautious about health, but I was still, I think, inside me thinking about health. And I offered her salad for lunch, and she said, oh my gosh, I came all the way to your house for you to give me mboga. Mboga, it's a Swahili word, it means vegetables. So she was not a very happy bunny. But let us eat salad, and again, please go ahead and pick your own choice of salad, whichever you prefer. And as well, if you can be able to add a small piece of fish or chicken, alternate that every day, and you can be putting in your salad however you want it. So it's up to you really, just a small portion. Remember, meat is not good for us, so we need to stay away from that. Now, 4 o'clock, let us make sure that we have a snack. Any kind of snack you choose, whichever you can have access to, or whichever is your favorite. I usually again have cucumber or carrots. I am a bunny, I am a rabbit, I love carrots, but carrots are good. I'm going to explain in my next video. Now, remember, all this time with the schedule that I have explained, or with the rundown that I have given you, you are drinking water. So if you can, please try to drink 2 cups of water every hour. But if you can't, just make sure that you're putting in a lot of water in you. So alternate again, like I said there earlier on. Sorry, I sound like a school teacher. And go ahead and have your green smoothie as well. So alternate from water to green smoothie. Now, 6 o'clock, let us have our meal, a healthy meal, vegetable meals. If we can start having vegetables, let me tell you something. The secret of vegetables is to put a lot of vegetables in your food. And that is good for you. It doesn't matter how much you eat, as long as it's vegetables, it will never harm you. And then let us eat a little bit of carbohydrates or starch. And so that is your choice again to choose. With me, I eat just a little bit, a portion of rice or mashed potatoes or pasta or whatever it is. So again, it's your evening meal, so prepare according to what you want or what you like or what you prefer, but as long as it is healthy and all kinds of vegetables. At least there you have a variety of many vegetables. Now, 8 o'clock, let us have our last snack. we are going to put our last thing that we put in the food. Now, why I'm saying 8 o'clock, these are my times that suits me, but I know there are those who work different shifts and there are those who are too busy, they don't get back home. But can I advise you, please take a box of lunch and put all these things if you're going to work or if you're going to your business. And if not, if you're at home, please make sure you follow this schedule, and you're going to love it because of the wonders that it's going to do to you and for your body. Now, 8 o'clock is going to be the last time. Why? We do not want to eat late at night before we go to sleep. We want to eat at least 2 hours before. Again, this is another video that I will make in future to explain why we should not be eating too late. Now, after that, make sure that you have green tea. For those who can have access to green tea, and green tea, you can get them from Health Shop or have peppermint tea. Now again, go ahead and choose. There's so many different types of teas, so choose the one you love, but green tea is good for you. Again, in my next video, I'll be able to explain this. Now, I think I have given you a rundown of how we should run our day. At least you have a clue, but please feel free to alternate according to your schedule and however you want. As long as everything that I have mentioned, you're going to put it in place, and make sure that we begin this journey so as we can start living a healthy life, so as we can start looking all nice and fly when summer comes. For those who live in tropical countries, you're lucky. Summer is there every day. For us who live here, we are waiting for the summer, and we want to be looking all nice and smart. So please, guys, sorry, I'm getting confused. My son is just showing me some signs and they're confusing me. So guys, please let us stay healthy. I will continue to explain why we need to stay healthy, and I will continue to explain why I have chosen to do this. But remember, I do not want to be keeping you too long watching me. I want you to just be coming here for at least 10 minutes to just watch one video, and then you're gone. I do not want to be giving you too much or bombard you with too much information. So for now, please stay healthy. Make sure that we live a good life, a healthy life full of success. And I will say ciao for now, kwaheri, and bye-bye. And please, oh sorry, please do not forget to subscribe and comment down below, people. And I appreciate those who have supported me, and I appreciate those who have been able to watch. Please continue to watch and share with your friends. So I will say kwaheri and stay healthy. Ciao!